All right. This is your capacitor over here. That's the bad boy. Everyone's like, oh, don't touch, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Insulated pliers. Do not do this with regular pliers. First, I'm going to start by yanking the wires out because that's what I like to do. Then, either with insulated pliers or 2 screwdrivers with plastic handles, good plastic handles, don't. All right. See, the handles are insulated with plastic. Stick one in one side, one in the other side. Touch. Bam, bam, bam. You can touch a bunch of times. It discharges it. Insulated pliers, same thing. To get it in there. There we go. One side to the other. Bam, 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 bam. Discharged.